It's been about 1 week since I've done a pepper plant update, and they've grown 8 or 9 inches anyway. I'm going to show you some of these are starting to produce pretty well. Let me show you this over here. It's pretty cool. Oh, there's the ones. Look at that. Pretty good sized peppers. Almost all of them. There's some in there. You have to just kind of look for them. Look there. Great. So yeah, this some producing better than others right now. Nikki's tomatoes are doing pretty nice. Lots of little flowers on them. Those will be tomatoes when they start to come out. But look at the size of this one here. It's a good sized pepper, my friends. I mean, these have been in the ground about 5 weeks now. I see there's some, I guess it's cayennes here. Some of the smaller peppers there. But all of them are going to produce. These are some bell peppers. They're small. Be about 2 weeks away from being able to get like this for years. That's not going to be too long till that one, till we're pulling that one. Lots of little buds on them. Very much worth doing. These are the ones I put in the ground last week. So 1 week, you can already see we got some peppers coming up there. One over here. Yeah, I'm real pleased with this. This is the new stuff, and this will all get 2.5 feet high eventually. Let's see a jalapeno or something coming up over yonder. Pretty sweet. The little garden's doing excellent. Just thought I'd show you. I have a number of followers that like to see how the garden's doing. I do all kind of different videos, I know. Strange YouTube channel mine, but we enjoy gardening, we enjoy cooking, I enjoy playing guitar, I enjoy hiking, I enjoy showing people North Carolina and what the mountains and foothills look like. The blueberries, and they're coming along. Probably next week. I see there's one blue. It looks like the New Jersey one over here. This is a blueberry that's native to New Jersey, and look, it's all coming in now. So I need to be out picking these. Oh man, oh that's great, man. So much better than getting that stuff at the store. Okay, I need to turn off and just eat a bunch of blueberries and then get back to my yard work. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like. If you love blueberries, I wish you were here.